Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, you're welcome and I hope you stay. Today I'm bringing to you very easy marble nail designs. Without wasting time, let's just get started. So first of all, I'll start by prepping my nails. I'll come in with my file. I'll file the edges and the surface as well. I'll come in with a dehydrator and clean my nails to get rid of any dust and oils that might be on the nails. Next, I'll come in with a primer. I'll give my nails one coat each. So I'll be using my base gel as glue. So I'll get my fake nails, come in with a little amount of the base gel, then put it on my natural nails. I'll push it down into the cuticle area to give it that very natural look. Afterwards, I'll cure it for 5 seconds just to secure it in place. When I'm done with all the nails, I'll go ahead and cure them for 60 seconds. I'll come in with my file and file the tip to get rid of that pointy plastic over there. I'll go ahead and come in with a primer to help the gel stick longer. Now I'll go ahead and paint my nails with this nude brown color. I got this from AliExpress. I'll give my nails a first coat, then cure them under the UV light for 60 seconds. Afterwards, I'll cure them under the UV light for 60 seconds. Since I want it more vivid, I'll go ahead and give it a second coat. So we're going for the marble effect, so I'll get my silicone stamp and I want something, very neutral, so I'll come in with a dark brown polish, then a white polish as well. So I'll dab it onto my nails. I'm not following any particular pattern, I'm just doing them randomly. With the help of a polish remover, I'll just get rid of any excess color that got onto my fingers. Then I'll just cure the nails for about 5 seconds just to secure it. Then go ahead and work on the rest of the nails. Afterwards, I will go ahead and cure them for 60 seconds. Finally, I'll seal them up with a glossy top coat. Finally, I will come in with some cuticle oil to help relax my cuticles. And here we are. I hope you did enjoy this. As you can see, they were so easy to make. I hope you're going to give this a try. If you do, let me know how they come out for you. And if you've not subscribed, please do not forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to leave me that big fat thumbs up, and don't forget to share this with family and friends. Until next time, I'm going to see you with another nice and interesting one. Bye.